In the world of predators, we talk a lot about lions, great white sharks, and hawks. But dragonflies are among the deadliest hunters on Earth. The success rate of over 95%. Higher than lions, higher than sharks, higher than almost any predator alive. So how did this tiny insect become so perfect? Long before birds ruled the skies, before dinosaurs walked the earth, dragonflies were already here, more than 300 million years ago. Ancient skies were filled with giant dragonflies. Some had wingspans nearly 70 centimeters wide. They ruled the air long before modern predators existed. It's not just an insect. It's a 300-million-year-old aerial interceptor that has survived 5 mass extinctions. To understand the dragonfly, you have to look at its flight hardware. Most insects move their wings in tandem. The dragonflies don't. They have 4 wings and can move each one independently. This allows them to hover like a helicopter, fly backward, and glide without flapping. Some species can reach speeds of over 35 miles per hour. But the real secret isn't speed. It's prediction. Dragonflies don't chase their prey like a dog chasing a car. They calculate trajectories and intercept. Their brains predict where the prey will be and fly straight to that point. Like guided missiles, they intercept midair with terrifying precision. To hunt like this, you need incredible vision. A dragonfly's head is almost entirely eyes. Each eye contains up to 30,000 lenses. Together, they see nearly 360 degrees. There's almost nowhere to hide, except directly behind their head. But it gets even stranger. Humans see about 60 frames per second. Dragonflies process visual information at about 200 frames per second. To them, the world moves in slow motion. Which means, for a dragonfly, you are moving slowly. Here's the weird part. The dragonfly you see in the air is actually the final stage of its life. For most of its life, sometimes up to 5 years, it lives underwater as a nymph. Down there, it is just as deadly. Hidden beneath the water, it waits. Then, it strikes. A hinged jaw shoots forward in milliseconds, grabbing tadpoles, mosquito larvae, and even small fish. To move fast underwater, they use jet propulsion through their abdomen.
When it's time to level up, the nymph climbs out of the water. It grips a plant and stops moving. Then its skin splits open. A new form slowly emerges. Wings unfold, eyes expand, legs harden. Within hours, the underwater hunter becomes the master of the air. Dragonflies are not new to the game. 300 million years ago, species like Meganeura had wingspans over 2 feet. They ruled the skies before the dinosaurs. Independent wings, near complete vision, predictive hunting, 2-stage life cycle. Everything about the dragonfly is built for one purpose: hunting. And there's one more reason they matter. A single dragonfly can eat hundreds of mosquitoes a day. They are nature's pest control, working for free. Tiny, ancient, and incredibly efficient. 300 million years, countless predators, and evolution still hasn't improved this design. The dragonfly may already be perfect. So the next time one hovers nearby, remember, you're looking at a prehistoric masterpiece. Evolution spent 300 million years perfecting this predator, and it still hasn't found anything better. Not even close.